Alright guys, what do? It's your boy X coming at you guys with another video. And in today's video, we are going to talk about recession. The common recession. Are we in it now? Is it coming? What am I doing? Like, what type of plays I'm trying to line up to really like gain like some massive amount of gains if we do go into a recession. Peep what I got to say. Peep what I got to say. Cause I think you can use it to really help you grow your wealth. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It will mean a lot to me, and like this video. If you can like this video, it helps push my content. And you know, YouTube algorithm radio awards like videos, so help your boy out. So we're talking about a coming recession because we got a negative GDP, and it's a high chance, very high chance, that we can get another negative GDP next quarter, whatever. And if that happens, technically we will be in a recession. You got banks, saying that they're going to stop doing investments and they're holding off to see what happens. You got stocks plummeting, Netflix, Tesla, Amazon. They're showing very negative earnings. They even said it's going to be slow growth. It's a lot of things going on. Like prices are getting high. Of course, everybody got those raises during the pandemic, but now that everything's getting higher, it's like,
oh, okay.
The raises don't help, so it's just like, oh crap, what's gonna happen? And it's gonna be either raise prices again, or you just gotta deal with it. So it's gonna be very treacherous. Like the coming months, like this year is looking very.
You smell that? What is that?
What?
What's that smell?
A cologne?
No. Opportunity.
Negative. But is that a bad thing? Like really, is that a bad thing? Like, I don't think so. Why do I not think so? I think it's a chance to make a lot of money. Me specifically, I think this could be a chance for me to really catapult. When I say catapult, I'm talking like Inuyasha jump to riches. And by riches, I mean well above my current portfolio level. So if you're new to the channel, I do dividend investing and I've been growing my portfolio. I've also borrowed money from M1 Finance to further that growth in my portfolio. And I try to trickle in as much money as I can every single month to that portfolio. So how am I going to use that money I borrowed, and what I'm doing with my money? Am I going to wait till it's actually down far as it can go? Am I going to just dollar cost average in? What am I actually going to do? Me personally, what I'm going to do is not financial advice, people, not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I normally allocate roughly around 2K into this portfolio. I'm going to drop it down maybe by 1,000 and keep the extra 1,000 on the side. If we do a significant drop in between now and the end of May, I'm going to throw that significant money in. If we just do average drop, I'm going to throw an extra 500 in, and we're going to play it by ear. Why am I doing that? Because I want to stockpile a decent amount on the side, not for anything else. It's going to go into the portfolio. It's just going to go into the portfolio after a significant drop. So let's just say the market, a random day in the market, today the stock market literally does like a 10% drop, 15% drop. That money I have on the side, I'm gonna throw it in. I don't care if it goes lower. It did a significant drop, which is 15%, 10%, 15% in one day. Taking it, throwing it in. If it continues to drop, same thing's gonna happen. If it does a very significant pullback, yet again, 10%, 15%, taking that money, throwing it all in. And that way, it's dollar cost averaging. I'm always gonna be buying in on a regular basis. It's just, instead of me throwing it all in at once, I'm going to do a trickle, and if you do a big drop, double down, trickle. And I think with this, it will help me grow my portfolio significantly, because at this point, everybody's red. Like a lot of people are red. I'm not saying like your all-time low, not yet, right? It's a chance, but I'm saying a lot of people's portfolio have been losing value over the last couple weeks. And if I can stack the money to the side and trickle in 500. And if it does a significant drop, pound down. I mean, I think that'll be very, very A1. Everybody know the word recession just scares a lot of people. They hear it, stock markets fall, you know, everything is finna blow up. World War III is finna start, right? But if you hear recession, don't let it scare you. Like I said, this is not financial advice, not tell you what to do with your money, but just when you hear the word recession, instead of panicking, do what the select few are doing, the 1%ers. Are they selling or are they doubling down? If you believe they're selling, hey, you believe they're selling. But if you want to select few that really believe that they're doubling down, if you have dreams and aspirations to be wealthy, break generational curses, it's like a small step back to a major comeback type of thing when you hear the word recession. Now, I'm not going to say it's going to bounce back as quick as it did in 2020. I'm not saying that. But what I'm saying is, if you're a long-term investor like myself and my dividend portfolio, I never plan on selling these stocks. Never. I just want to live off the money that those stocks produce. So if I'm in it to win it and in it for the long haul, let's just say over the next, we go into a recession next month or the month after that, and we be in a recession for the next year and a half. So that means from the current prices today, over the next year and a half, I can be getting stocks at a very discounted price. For instance, VOO is down significantly. Would you not want to hold VOO, which is like one of the best index funds you can hold? I would, because it has always returned on average per year 8 to 10%. So let's just say this year it magically only produced 2%, 4%, right? Magically. But every year afterward it does, it's normal, 8 to 10. Would you not take that discount? It's like the stock market is giving you a coupon for 25, 30, 40% off, and you just like, why would I use that? Instead of getting scared, learn, read, adapt, and realize that what's happening right now is a repeat of 2020, and it may be a little drawn out longer than 2020, but it's a repeat of 2020 where you have the chance to really grow your money at a very fast and alarming pace. Do not forget, during the pandemic, this was what, a 2-year span, and this was when more millionaires were created almost in like a decade. Like, so many new millionaires were created due to the overall expansion of the money. They had to print so much, so now there's more to go around, and it's still out there. Don't think that it's all swooped up. Don't think you can't get none. It's still there if you use your brain and use your money logically. Like I said, again, not financial advice, just a little piece of information. But that's all I have to say about this video. That's what I'm doing with my money. I'm doubling down, people. Maybe you should do the same. Maybe you're not doing the same. I would love to hear about it in the comments. So most definitely leave a comment. Tell me what you're doing. What are your thoughts? Are we in a recession? Are we not? Do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Most definitely like this video. And it's your boy X here, and I'm out.